All right, what's good, YouTube? Wolf Theory here, and today I'm bringing you a 34 pack blister opening. Shout out to my boy EP for letting me know about this. Didn't expect to spend all this, but of course these are not really fully old, but these are some good blisters that we probably have some good stuff in. But not to waste your time, if you like the channel, please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, look for updates. Again, we starting to do more deck profiles, test hands, um, different combos, openings, so on and so forth. Just trying to be different, trying to be innovative. But not to waste any more time, let's get into it. So first, I'm probably going to do this is the Extreme Forces first. Go from Extreme Forces to the Cybernetic Horizon, Dark Neo Storm, and then finish it off with Flames of Destruction because, of course, we got the Infinite Impermanence in there. Got our sleeves ready. Put these to the side. Again, I'm going to kind of semi-run through it because, like I said, at the end of the day, I don't want to see me go through every single last card. But, man, y'all want to see it. So, let's go. I can't remember what was in Extreme Forces. Let's just open all these up. I think that's when Electromite came out. And I can't think of what, I think Skull Dread was in Extreme Forces. Can't remember all the other money cards. Alright, but off. Gem Knight and Metal Rocket. Stormhead, okay. Most users are battle card effects in the very first one. Okay. Alright, nothing. That one. Let's go to the next one. And look, I'm not trying to. If I pull something, I pull something. That's the point of it. Power card is silver. Okay. I mean, but at the end of the day, I'm not expecting to pull nothing. But I did find that they'll be pretty interesting and good to open some cards like this. Alright, let's get off to Cybernetic Horizon. Put these to the side. Not looking too good so far. Of course, that's what we was expecting. And like most people say, I do it so you don't have to do it or open it or waste your money. But at the end of the day, you're going to do what it is you want to do with your money. Alright, one more next. Cybernetic Horizon. Like, I mean, if you want to open packs, there's nothing wrong with it. Alright, so, had a miss so far. Let's go off to Dark Neo Storm. So we're just gonna open up the packs and then we'll just open up the cards from there. It's too much to kind of go through each one, open it up, each one, open it up. Takes time. And I'm sure you possibly hear someone cutting their yard. The freedom of when you want to record a video. All right. So, without further ado, all right. Now, let's get back to business over here. Okay. Oh, the band card. The band card. Oh, it's all good. Okay. Everything else is like, yeah. Well, I mean, we got one secret, so too bad it's banned, of course. Mirrors of Hope. When that card got bumped up, I actually need that. Okay. Moving to the next one. It was really good. It was really good. Oh my god. Oh, you can't make this up, bro. You cannot make this up. You cannot make this up. I can't make this up. Cannot make this up. Okay. All right. Well, let's just see how many ibs that we can get then, if that's the case. Cause, man. All right. Nothing. Fish monster. It's continuous. All right. Nothing out of that. All right, the next one. Super Quantum. Actually, I'm gonna just, if it ain't secrets, spawn another problem. Alright, so far, another Mirrors of Hope. Alright, so moving on to the next one. 2 ifs. I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. 2 ifs. That is crazy to me. Alright, moving on to the next one. Nothing still. Well, pretty sure that was our luck for that. I really want to put it in the sleeve, but I really don't because it's a freaking band card. It's the only thing with blisters. Like, it's like a love and hero blister. It feels good when you pull a secret, but when you don't pull nothing good, then you really don't care too much about the pulls. So it's like pros and cons to it. Okay. Okay, Crusader Avamax. Okay. We'll take it. So winning so far, I guess I'll put it in the little sleeve, you know. It was a secret, but well, we'll put it in the let me see. I know I have one open somewhere. So we'll just we'll put them in here. Whatever, that's fine. Band cards galore. Oh. 1 second. Alright, so just put them up there. We'll just leave it right there. It's a band card, whatever, it's fine. Alright. Oh. This over there. Mayakashi. Oh, this is when I started to rip. Nothing too crazy. 3 Neo Storms left. Back down. Last 2 left. Oh, it's fine. Alright, so it's looking like out of what's so out of 16, I pull 2 band cards, card that got reprinted, and a card that's booty butt cheeks right now. Alright, it's fine. Alright, so last but not least, let's go to Flames of Destruction. Excuse me. Alright, so we'll probably just do a speed run through this until we open everything up. Alright, and these are hard to come by too, so. Right, so got this ready. Alright, let's bless these pulls. Hopefully we can pull 3 secrets out of these too. Be great. First one, not so hot. Oh, come on now. No. Really going in. Call by the Grave. Hey. It's fine. Okay, let's go. Let's go, boy. Let's go. This is what I'm talking about. This, bruh. Bruh, look at that, bruh. Bruh, look at that, bruh. Give me that moon. Need that, bruh. Let's go. Put that in the sleeve real quick. Get that sleeve on there real quick, though. Alright. Come on, bro. Let's pull like 4 more. What? This one is weird. Okay. Put that in there. That was weird. Alright. Alright, so got that in. Okay, let's come on, man. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. Okay. 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 I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Back to back. Come on now. I'll take it. I'll take it. I will take it. I take it. Let's go. Come on, bro. Bro. Alright. Everything else gonna be butt cheeks. Watch. I already know it. Everything else gonna be butt cheeks. You don't get done like this, and then everything else becomes like luxury. Okay, another call by the grave. Wind up, Don Drexler. I wish that wind up link would have been pretty decent or did something. Here's what it is. Cerebus. Okay. Cerebus, not bad. Alright, how many we got left? We have 7 left. Okay, come on now. Sorrow. I seen that dark purple. Kind of got me excited a little bit. Alright, we got 5 left. 5 left. Oh, including after this one. Alright, let's go. So, with the new support, if I was people, I would start picking up this card right here. Because it's a beast warrior. It's a beast. And basically, it's just a free summon. Just a free summon. With Tribegate. So, not a bad card to pick up. If you want to use. We want stuff that's free. Alright, see what else we got. Link Brown. Okay. Yeah, see, after them two, that's gonna be it. We ain't getting nothing else. Got an ultra. It's not the ultra that I wanted, but we got an ultra though. So put that. Second's light. Alright, so we're down to 2 more left. Alright, come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Bless these. We'll go this first. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Get a little bit. Space insulator. Corruption. Elemental Lord. Okay. All right. Last one. All right. Here we go. We should get that good line on it. Saber. Monarchs. Multi-faker. Alright, well, there we have it. So this is basically, so we pulled 5 secrets, called by the grade, 2 called by the grades, common, multi-faker, XX Saber, Palace. Alright, well, 20 minutes in, I'm gonna end the video there. So once again, be for sure to like and subscribe if you like the content. Anybody stay safe, stay smart out there, and yeah, see you in the next one.